What's your name? What's your name? What's your
My
name?
name is Alisa.
Alice. Sure.
And
How
we're
old are
walking
you?
up the street and I'm 7.
You're 7.
Yeah.
Where are we going daw?
Where
We're
are we
going to
going?
Magdo and we're
Wow.
gonna buy some toothbrush.
Oh, toothbrush. Pupunta tayo McDo para bumili ng toothbrush?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi
Magdo.
ba?
Tapas.
Ah,
Tapas toothbrush na bilis.
Toothbrush.
Sa sa store.
anong color ng toothbrush ang gusto mo?
Ay, nako. Like anything.
Like anything? Akala ko ba gusto
My
mo
mom
na...
buy me anything color.
Akala ko ba gusto mo ng color blue?
I don't want color blue.
You don't want color blue?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Guess mo daw yung favorite color ni Ali.
What's your favorite color?
Guess mo nga daw.
Guess ko ba? Feeling ko, gusto ni Alice ay orange.
That's my 11th.
That's your 11th. That's your 11th color.
Favorite.
Ano ba yan?
11th favorite.
I know your favorite. It's white.
That's my 10th color.
Ako, guess ko. Green.
That's my 4th color.
Oh, fourth color pala eh.
Yung favorite?
Wala.
My favorite one is
Yellow.
red.
Red pala? Red pala, red?
Yes.
Meron
And
ako kami.
my second number is
What?
not like that. Is
It's brown.
no brown is it's on 13.
13?
Yeah, brown.
Grabe. Alam mo kung ilan yung colors ha? Ako nga, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung colors eh.
Ay, black yung yung fit number ko.
Ano? Black yung?
fit color ko.
Fifth mo?
And
Fifth?
and the gray is my most
Wala ka lang dito sa kabila ni Hara.
Okay lang yan, ako magiging human shield yan.
34.
Choose one lang. Choose one.
Choose one lang.
Okay, I want to be a police.
What? You want to be?
A police.
I thought you want to be an engineer.
I know, that's my second one.
That's your second one. So you want to be a
Third one
police?
is my pilot. I want to be
Sino Sino huliin mo?
yung mga bad guys.
Mga bad guy?
Sabi ko, uy, huwag ka
Paano kung ako yung bad guy?
Ha?
Paano kung ako yung bad guy?
Use a handcuff.
Ha?
And use a teaser and a handcuff.
You'll taser me?
Teaser.
Taser? You'll taser me? You'll taser me?
No, not you. You're not my cop. You're not my Robin.
Paano kung ako yung bad guy?
Ano? Just don't rob.
Just don't. Okay.
Hello?
Baka mo, yun yung pinaka.
Oh, ito na yung hama.
Ano?
Baka matumabi ha.
Kabalik ko tayo, sure ah. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hindi na lahat. Ano yung asikaso dito?
Narinig kami na ba siya?
Grade ito na ako. Grade ito na mga 2 to 5. Nakita ko yung ano ko dati ko trabaho dito.
Talaga?
Kaso hindi ko naman, hindi ko na siya nakita Paris na siya.
Nakita ka rin.
Oh, yeah.
Tinitiyan ko nga eh. Ano ko, titiyan ko ako. Ano sa akin titingin sa akin.
255. That's so long. That's okay. I'll wait for a minute.